Le LAMIC, c'est le premier laboratoire de muséologie expérimentale au monde.
The LAMIC is the first experimental museology laboratory in the world.
And what's essential about this institution is being able to study methods for passing on culture in a museum setting. Sometimes we are on the premises, and sometimes we're not. What is of interest to us is the whole museum experience. So, it is important to understand that the Canada Foundation for Innovation came to support a project that dealt with research on culture. The project of Robert Lepage is innovative. I think everybody acknowledges that. Therefore, it allowed for certain experimentation to bring together characters, a historical narrative, objects, and especially images. My services were requested in 2005 to implement a historical theme for the city of Quebec,
as we were getting ready to celebrate its 400th anniversary in 2008. And my role has been essentially to develop and mostly to document the original screenplay for the Image Mill.
To try to construct a non-linear narrative which refers to the given space, which is timely, yet also represents more of a spatial reading of a place. And by spatial I mean the physical space itself, the spirit of the place as well, and to highlight them in a multimedia show. We knew that the 4 centuries concept would bring us toward something that was based on the number 4. It could be 4 seasons, it could also be 4 time periods, or 4 centuries. After, we had to find the images, but not just any image, ones that could be translated across the vertical rows of the silos, and to ensure that the candles, organ pipes, soldiers, and soldiers' bullets would obviously correspond to the shape of the mill. This allowed us, among other things, to validate our thought process, which to a certain extent is not narrative, or in any case is narrative but not linear. Since then, our projects have led from one to the other. The Nouveau Terrain d'Apparition project is led by Luc Courchaine
of the Society of Technological Arts and the University of Montreal. We decided to go with the Chapelle des Ursulines, given that it is a recognized heritage site. The challenge was, how can we capture the essence of the space to make an off-site model of the original place? The location still exists. It's a chapel in Old Quebec. It's still the same as it was. However, it isn't always accessible to most people. It's a place in which important things are happening. So, it's exciting to digitally reproduce it and capture its essence. What's interesting is to be able to reflect on the relationship between the object, the visitor, and the place.